When I heard from the media asking me about the letter to withdraw the political task team, I just laughed it off, because Section 207 gives me a mandate and responsibility to do policing in this province. Now, if there's an instruction that is going to interfere with operations of the South African Police Service, for me, it will be perceived as a defeating act of justice. So therefore, I'll need to put very close attention on that. And because I wondered what would have informed. I phoned the National Commission, was on leave at the time when the letter was written, allegedly, and he didn't know anything about it. But there was an instruction, and assumingly now we heard today that it was a directive, because I had not received it as a provincial commission. When the provincial management had asked me about it, the provincial leadership executive, I told them that the political team is pretty much active, and they're working, they're doing their work. And any other person who give me instruction otherwise can go only the National Commissioner, and nobody else but the National Commissioner of South African Police Service, because he's my boss. If he tells me I must change his policing tactics into something else, I shall do so as a disciplined police officer. But we've been working, Chair, and this task team have gone beyond the borders of KwaZulu-Natal, have gone to the Gauteng province. There's a case that they are assisting investigating in Gauteng, the case that involves very senior police officers, who some of them might be in this platform that you are in right now. And that is part of what is causing the chaos in the South African Police Service. So, Honorable Chair, I'm going to leave it there, and that is basically why I was then making a reference on what is transpiring now to that what happened in 2011, where bad police officers are using politicians to try and get their ways around.